Welsh Water is a non-shareholder company, which means we exist to provide a great service for our customers. And to do that, we need really engaged people and colleagues that are actually skilled and competent and confident in the service that they're able to provide and the tasks that they fulfil. So looking at how to develop our colleagues and make sure that they keep contemporary skills is really important to us. And we've invested heavily in apprenticeship schemes, in trainee schemes, and one of our most successful programs has been the Essential Skills program.
We had some new technologies that were brought into the business, some new laptops and tough books, and some of the guys were struggling a little bit with that, and we were looking to how we could support them a little bit more with the Essential Skills program. We discussed it with Linda Williams, HR Director, and she was very supportive and said, well, why don't we get some roadshows together? We hold the employee roadshow sort of quarterly, so I suggested that we have a stand at those roadshows where we can just explain to the guys what we're offering.
The original thought about investing in colleagues to take time away from their job in work's time to actually study essential skills was something that was a bit of a leap of faith, but actually has paid dividends in terms of the returns for the business and how that extra knowledge and confidence has enhanced our ability to improve productivity and performance to customers.
We made sure that we were going to visit everybody's location. Even if it was a small sewage works in the wildest parts of Wales, we made sure that we'd go out of our way to meet the learners on their own site, because we felt it's less downtime to the business as well, but priority was the guys would actually come onto the programme if they felt they were comfortable in their own surroundings.
I'm really proud to say that we've got 500 learners working towards 1,000 qualifications as a consequence. So the colleagues across the organisation, all different roles, have really embraced essential skills, and we're really proud of it.
Massive congratulations really to all the learners out there that's been on the programme, seen all the massive confidence changes in all of you, and we're all very proud of you at Welsh Water, and hopefully you're going to go on to do more things in the future. Well done.
It was absolutely the right thing to do for our business, and this really just is a fantastic recognition, so thank you.